Hi, Algebra 2, Period 2, College Prep. Let's go over this example real quick. This was part of your homework. I just want to show you kind of how it comes together. So here we go. This was the setup. They gave you each van, had number of adults, number of students, and how much the total van cost was to get into. I think it was an amusement park. And then the other van was there. We want to know how much each ticket cost. Now, we talked the other day in class about how if we know the amount of an item and we multiply it by the price of one item, so I should say amount of items, price of one item, that's going to give us the total price of all items. So I can use that in this problem. We so far have been given the price, we wanted the amount. This way flips it upside down, so here we go. What I'm going to do is write one equation for each van. Usually when they break it down like that, those are good ways to write your equations. So, and you want to look for the overall cost, that's important. So to get that $77, that was 2 adult tickets and 5 student tickets, which in the end is $77. So this is an amount of money. This is my amount of people, of adults, I should say. So this overall is the total adult cost. Same thing over here. This is my number of students. This is the cost of one student. So together, this is the total student cost. So this is the adult and student cost. So it's money plus money equals money. So the other equation is going to be very, very similar. I'm going to have 2a again plus 7s equals 95. There we go. Now, this is a very good candidate for elimination because notice the 2 a's already match. I just need to make one of them negative. So I would probably pick this top one to make that negative. So I would make that negative 2a minus 5s equals negative 77. The second equation stays the same. Again, you do not need to do elimination. I will never tell you to do elimination at this point. But it works very well here, so that's the one that I'm going to show. These guys totally cancel out. Over here, I'm left with 2s equaling, let me do a little bit of side math here, because I don't have a calculator with me at the moment. That's going to be, nope, 18 there. So I have 2s equals 18. I divide by 2. I get that one student ticket is $9. Because I remember that up here, S is a cost. S is money. So I have $9 there. So then I just have to plug that back in to figure out what the adult price is. So I'm going to have, let's go with the 77 one. 2a plus 5s equals 77. The s goes in right there. So I'm going to get 2a plus 5 times 9 is 45 equals 77. I'm going to subtract that 45